Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I produce videos on abroad education for latest technologies, scholarships from different organizations and countries, and job vacancies in different companies. In the present video, I would like to talk about artificial intelligence solves Schrodinger's equation. Scientists at Freie University Berlin developed a deep learning method to solve a fundamental problem in quantum chemistry. A team of scientists at Freie University Berlin has developed an artificial intelligence method for calculating the ground state of Schrodinger's equation in quantum chemistry. The goal of quantum chemistry is to predict chemical and physical properties of molecules based solely on the arrangement of their atoms in space, avoiding the need for resource intensive and time consuming laboratory experiments. In principle, this can be achieved by solving the Schrodinger equation, but in practice, this is extremely difficult. Up to now, it has been impossible to find an exact solution for arbitrary molecules that can be efficiently computed. But the team at Freie University has developed a deep learning method that can achieve an unprecedented combination of accuracy and computational efficiency. Artificial intelligence has transformed many technological and scientific areas from computer vision to materials science. We believe that our approach may sufficiently impact the future of quantum chemistry, says Professor Frank No, who led the team effort. The results were published in the reputed journal Nature Chemistry. Central to both quantum chemistry and Schrodinger equation is the wave function, a mathematical object that completely specifies the behavior of electrons in a molecule. The wave function is a high dimensional entity and it is therefore extremely difficult to capture all the nonsense that encode now the individual electrons affect each other. Many methods of quantum chemistry in fact give up on expressing the wave function altogether, instead attempting only to determine the energy of a given molecule. This, however, requires approximations to be made, limiting the prediction quality of such methods. Other methods represent the wave function with the use of an immense number of simple mathematical building blocks, but such methods are so complex that they are impossible to put into practice for more than a mere handful of atoms. Escaping the usual trade-off between accuracy and computational cost is the highest achievement in quantum chemistry, explains John Herman of Freie University Berlin, who designed the key features of the method in the study. As at the most popular such outliner is the extremely cost-effective density functional theory. We believe that deep quantum Monte Carlo, the approach we are proposing, could be equally, if not more successful. It offers unprecedented accuracy at a still acceptable computational cost. The deep neural network designed by Professor No's team is a way of representing the wave functions of electrons. Instead of standard approach of composing the wave function from relatively simple mathematical components, we designed an artificial neural network capable of being the complex pattern of how electrons are located and the nuclei now explains. One peculiar feature of the electronic wave functions is their anti-symmetry. When two electrons are exchanged, the wave function must change its sign. We had to build this property into the neural network architecture for the approach to work, adds Herman. This feature, known as Pauli's exclusion principle, is why the authors called their method Paulinet. Besides Pauli exclusion principle, electronic wave functions also have other fundamental physical properties, and much of the innovative success of Paulinet is that it integrates these properties into the deep neural network rather than letting deep learning figure them out by just observing the data. Building the fundamental physics into the artificial intelligence is essential for its ability to make meaningful predictions in the field, says no. This is really where scientists can make a substantial contribution to artificial intelligence, and exactly what my group is focused on. There are still many challenges to overcome before Herman Noyes method is ready for industrial application. This is still fundamental research, the authors agree, but it is a fresh approach to an age-old problem in the molecular and material sciences, and we are excited about the possibilities it opens up. If you find this video interesting and informative, please subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos. Please click like, subscribe, share, and you can watch the upcoming videos. Please press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching my video. Wish you all the success. May God bless you.